Good morning, students. So, welcome back to your GK class, and today we will talk about traveling by train. So, usually you go for your holidays and you can see that your parents are booking or reserving tickets of trains. Yes, prior 1 month prior, right? Because they want the reservation to be confirmed. So how this ticket look and what are the informations which this ticket is giving us? So let us see one details about it. And here you can see one picture of your railway ticket on page number 60 and 61, right? So page number 60 and 61, let us write down here. A train ticket has a lot of information. Yes, we know that. Look at this train ticket and answer the questions. Here one picture of a train ticket has been given and you have been given lots of, that is 6 and at least 8 questions. Okay, we are having 8 questions, different types of questions which are related to this ticket, and we will just find out, trace the information from the ticket, and we are going to write the answer in this blank. So the first one is, how many passengers are traveling? So from this ticket we can find out that how many passengers are traveling, and from where we will find it out? We will find it out from here. You can see adult 1. The number has been given only 1. That is also a person who is adult. That means more than 18 years old. So here comes the answer, one answer, that is also 1. Okay, for in the blank I have written the 1 like this, and for your tracing this is the number of the blank. Okay. Now next question, that is number 2. By what class are they traveling? So by what class? We know that for train we are having first class, we are having second class, we are having third class, we are having sleeper class. Okay, so different type of classes are there. So here Shreni, here the class has been given and over there it has been written 3. Okay, so here the class will be 3. So let's go for the third one. And the third question is the ticket confirmed? Yes, the ticket is confirmed. That also the information has been given over here. The ticket is confirmed. Otherwise, we won't get our ticket number. Okay. So, here the answer will be yes. Because seat number has been given. So, we can say that our ticket is confirmed. Berth number and seat number has been given. That's why the ticket is confirmed. We can say it is confirmed. Next question, number 4. What is the train name? So how we will find out what is the name of the train? So you can see over here the information has been given that it's Lucknow Duronto Express. Okay, so it's Lucknow Duronto Express, the name of the train which is written on the ticket. So let us write it in the same way as it is written on the ticket, LKO, that is Lucknow. Then after it is written Duronto, and then after it's Express. So here comes Lucknow Duronto Express, and here comes number 5. So let us go for number 5. What is the question number 5? What is the train number? So where will you find the train number? Here we can see the train number. Each and every train is having a number, and that is 12272. Here the train number, and below that the train number has been given. So 12272 is Lucknow Duronto Express, and in the railway station when the announcement is been given, you will usually follow that first of all they declare the number of the train, like train number 12272 Lucknow Duronto Express is coming on platform number this. Okay, so in this way that means the train number is very much important, and that's why during the announcement they also declare the train number. Okay, next comes let us go for number 6. What is the time of booking the ticket? Now, as it is a digital ticket, it has been digitally booked. It is been booked with the help of a computer. So over here we can find the date and the time when the ticket has been particularly booked. Okay, so here you can see that the ticket was booked on 2nd to 10/2013, whereas the time of the booking was 12:45. Okay, so the time of the booking was 12:45, but AM or PM has not been mentioned over here. So we are going to write only 12:45. If you find AM or PM, then you can mention over there, because I didn't found it there where AM and PM is there. Okay, so let's go for number 7. What is the time of the departure of this train? So arrival time as well as the departure time is already mentioned in the ticket, from where this train is starting and from where to where, what is the destination of this train, that is also written in this ticket. So first of all, let us find out the departure time. That means the station from where it is going to leave, that is known as departure. So what is the time of departure of this train? So let us find out what is the time to departure of this train. The train will depart from where? From New Delhi. From New Delhi on 4/10 at 23:30. That means, yes, that means this is the standard time and it's 11:30. Okay, so here AM and PM has not been mentioned. So till 23:30, that means it gets PM. Okay, or so 23:30. Okay, it's PMs according to standard time. Next comes number 8. Where is this train leaving for? So we can see we have booked ticket for New Delhi and we have booked ticket at Lucknow Duronto. So obviously our destination will be from New Delhi to Lucknow. Okay, so this train is going for Lucknow and it is leaving from New Delhi. It is leaving from New Delhi. So I am writing number 8 over here. Next, number 9. Let us go for number 9. What is the time of arrival of this train? So when it is going to arrive at Lucknow, so over here we can see it's given 7:10. That means 23:30. That means 11:30 PM. It is going to start from New Delhi and it is going to arrive at Lucknow at morning 7:10. Okay, so it's 7:10. Over here you can find the time of arrival and departure at the low portion, okay, of the ticket. Next comes, what is the destination of this train? So what is the destination? That means where this train is leaving for. The train is leaving for Lucknow. The train is leaving for Lucknow and it is leaving from. When we are asking for what is the destination of the train, that means the last station, that is the Lucknow, and where it is leaving from, where it is leaving for and from. So for, it is leaving for Lucknow and it is leaving from New Delhi. Okay, so it is leaving for Lucknow. Next comes number 11. Okay, number 11, what is the PNR number of this ticket? Now what is this PNR number? Okay, so PNR number is passenger number, that is record. Here one number has been given which is over here in the first column. This is the passenger number record, which this is the Indian Railways database where each and every passenger's data is being saved for emergency. Okay, If some mishap happens, then this PNR number helps to trace the passenger, whether the passenger is in the train or somewhere else. Okay, so this is the database which is being collected by the Indian Railways for the safeguard of the passengers, like their name, their age, their gender, all these things, and from where they have started, and from where, what is the destination of this train, what is the destination of the passenger, everything, the data is being collected over here at this number, and it is been registered with this number. Okay, so the PNR number of this particular passenger is 245 181 8189. Okay, so here is your PNR number, that is passenger number record. Okay, now next comes how many passengers, sorry, it's 11, all total 11 is completed. We are having 11 questions, so total 11 questions we have covered, and we have written the answers of each and every question with the help of this ticket which has been provided to us in the form of the picture. So students, next time whenever your parents are booking or reserving any ticket from some holiday or somewhere, you just collect the ticket and just go through it so nicely. You will understand that what is their berth number, if the ticket has been confirmed or not, how many members are traveling. Okay, so every information you will do it practically, and I will be back again with a new class next Saturday. Till that time, bye bye.